Automating your wealth is a strategic way to ensure you're consistently saving, investing, and growing your finances. By setting up systems that automatically handle these aspects, you can minimize the impact of human error or emotion on your financial decisions. Here's a guide on how to automate your wealth to potentially retire early. Automate savings. Pay yourself first. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account or an investment account immediately after you get paid. Emergency fund. Before investing, ensure you have an automated system to fund an emergency account. Aim for 3-6 months worth of expenses. Take advantage of employer benefits, 401k or equivalent. If your employer offers a matching contribution, ensure you're contributing at least enough to capture the full match. It's essentially free money. Automatic increases. Some 401k plans allow you to set up automatic annual increases in your contribution percentage. Automate investment. Robo-advisors. Platforms like Betterment, Wealthfront, or Vanguard's robo-advisor can automate investments based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Dollar cost averaging. Automate regular investments into stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. This strategy allows you to invest a fixed amount at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions, which can mitigate the impact of market volatility. Automate bill payments. Set up automatic payments for all recurring monthly bills. This can help avoid late fees and improve credit score. Reduce debt efficiently. Set up automatic payments for any outstanding debt, especially high-interest debt. For debts like student loans, see if you qualify for refinancing to potentially get a lower interest rate. Rebalance your portfolio. Periodically, typically once a year or after significant market shifts, it's important to rebalance your portfolio to maintain your desired asset allocation. Some investment platforms offer automatic rebalancing. Tax efficiency. Utilize tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks, IRAs, HSS, or others relevant to your country. These can automate tax savings for you. Automate increases in contribution. Every time you get a raise, bonus, or come into extra money, increase the amount you automatically contribute to savings or investments.